Hey everyone, it's Amy here, and I am thrilled to announce our mystery bag mega sale happening now through July 15th at noon Central Time. So this is going to be your chance to snag some fantastic Norwex products up to 50% off. So I'm going to tell you all about it. It's really cool. We have 3 different tiers. They are 3 different price levels for the mystery bags. And each one is packed with unique Norwex items and lots of surprises. So level 1 is when you spend $50, it's tier 1, on a mystery bag. You're gonna get a mystery bag back worth at least $100 US in retail value. Or you can get tier number 2, you spend $75 and get a mystery bag worth at least $150 US in retail value. Or spend tier 3, spend $100, and you're gonna get a mystery bag worth at least $200 retail value. So that is an incredible deal for some of our favorite Norwex products. So this sale is perfect for anyone looking to stock up on Norwex products, maybe try something new, or if you're just like me and you like a thrill of a good surprise. One thing to keep in mind, all 3 tiers are completely different. So you can get one that fits your budget or get all 3 and get loads of amazing surprises. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.